I'm Hande Atalay and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see from the title, we're gonna be doing a summer glow makeup. Yes, I know we are in a different situation right now, like all over the world. We cannot go out, we cannot go on holiday most probably this summer. Fingers crossed, maybe we can. But I wanted to bring that summer vibe into the makeup that I'm gonna be doing in this video. I would be really happy if you subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet, and give it a thumbs up to this video and open the notification button from down below. All the products that I'm going to be using in this makeup will be listed in detail in the description box. If you want to follow me on Instagram, my username is Atalay Hande. If you're ready, just keep on watching. As I said, it's gonna be a summer glow makeup, and as you know, in summer we cannot put a lot of foundation in our face because of the heat and also the new vibe that we are using right now, the masks. So what I'm gonna be using today is two products that I really love, and I'm gonna be mixing them together to create my own foundation. The first one actually is an SPF cream, but it's a tinted cream from Avène. I hope I'm reading it right. It is called Tinted Mineral Fluid. And the other one is from L'Oreal Glow Chérie. It's also a tinted moisturizer. I'm gonna be using them together on my face. I spread it all over my face, these two products, and I'm using my beauty blender to spread them out. To cover my under eyes, I'm going to be using Infaillible More Than Concealer from L'Oreal. I have two colors of this product in my hand, 332 and 330. 330 is a little bit more salmon color based, and 332 is more yellow colored base. I'm going to be using this color, 332, also to cover up some of the spots that I already have in my face because I didn't use a full coverage foundation. Before putting my powder to my face and my under eyes, I want to use a liquid bronzer. The product that I'm going to be using is Maybelline's Instant Anti-Age Eraser Concealer, but in the color of bronze. As you can see, it's already finished. I have a new one waiting for me. You're going to be using this one. I'm just putting it like that, where I want to bronze my face. I'm putting it here in my forehead, a little bit here under the jawline, little bit around the nose, here, and around my lips. I decided that I want to keep that glowy look in my face, so that's why I'm not going to be using powder all over my face, just a little bit maybe, but mainly I'm going to put it under my eyes. I forgot to tell you the product that I use is I Love Revolution Scented Baking Powder in Banana. As I said, I didn't put too much powder around my cheek area because I'm planning to use liquid blush and liquid highlighter. That's why I didn't want to put too much powder around this area. I'm gonna touch up my brows a little bit. If you watched my previous English video, I said that my style in the brows is my brows but better. The product that I'm using is Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer in the color dark brown. For eyes, I'm planning shimmers and stuff like that. Let's see how it's gonna turn out. I'm not planning to put a dark eyeliner. Instead, I'm gonna use a brown eyeliner to give that fresh look. I have two beautiful eyeshadow palettes in my hand. One of them is Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette, like that. It has beautiful summer looking colors, as you can see. The other one is by Absolute New York and it's called Icon Mini. It has colors like that, again, really beautiful. They are similar, actually, the colors are similar, but these ones a little bit more shimmery. First, I'm putting the lightest color as a base. Then I'm using this orange shade in the Absolute New York eyeshadow palette and spreading it all over my eyelid. Now I'm going to be taking this little bit darker orange color and putting it here to give a little bit of smoky and darker effect. I'm taking an empty brush, just blend these two colors together. Then I'm taking this shimmery light color, it's called Spark, to a flat brush and putting it in the inner side of my eye. I'm taking the same flat brush, but this time I'm going to be using this color in the shade Heat Wave. It's a little bit orangey but shimmery color. I'm going to put that in the eyelid area here. I'm taking my blending brush again and blending these colors all together. I don't want sharp lines in this eye look. Actually, I don't like sharp lines in any look that I'm doing usually. I like that smoked and gradient effect more. Again, I'm taking my empty brush and smoking this part out. I'm taking a brush like that and I'm gonna be using the same colors that I just used and I'm gonna be putting them on the lower lash line. I just wanted to darken that lower lash line here because I'm not gonna be using a dark eyeliner in the inner part of my eye. I'm going to be using a nude color, but I want that line to be a little bit more visible. That's why I'm going to be taking this ashen color, a little bit brownish shimmery color, and putting it just on the roots of my lower lashes. Like that. It's a little bit more defined and I prefer it that way. Now I'm going to be using a nude eyeliner that I got from Primark and putting it in the lower lash line here. This trick will make your eyes look bigger and brighter. For the inner part of my upper lid, I prefer to put a liner. It makes my eyelashes more defined. The product that I'm going to be using is Maybelline Tattoo Liner in the color Smooth Walnut. I'm just taking my lid a little bit higher and putting my brown eyeliner here. It looks a little bit scary, I know, but it's worth it. For the eyeliner, I'm going to be using a different trick. I'm not going to be using my liner directly to my eye. I'm taking a brush like that, an eyeliner brush, classic, and taking the product from my liner. Then I'm putting it just the roots of my eyelashes. For my lashes, I'm going to be using Maximize It Mascara from Beaulis. It has a wand like that. I just want to add a little bit pop of color in the inner portion of my eyes. I'm going to be using the Holo Pigments from Rival de Loop. It's called Spotlight. The eyes are done. Let's move on to the rest of the face. Today I want to use a cream blush. I have a blush palette in my hand from Sleek Makeup. It's called Pink Lemonade. The colors are very nice. I'm going to be using this one. It's a cream blush. I'm just putting it here. As you can see, it's a very pretty pink color, like that. I really like the color. It looks like I just got burnt a little bit from the sun. I'm gonna put a little bit more. And also I'm gonna put some over my nose, where it burns mostly from the sun. I just want to deepen my bronzing a little bit more. I'm going to be using Maybelline Master Bronze Palette. I think I will focus on these or these colors. I'm not going to go with this one. It's more like a contour shade. I'm focusing on these two. For the highlighter, I'm using my highlighter palette that I got from Primark. It's called Illuminating Cream Highlighters. All the highlighters inside are cream highlights and it has different options from white to cream to pink to bronze. I'm just taking it with my beauty blender and putting it here. I'm gonna put a little bit here in my nose and a little bit around my lips. For my lips, first I'm going to be outlining my lips with Soft Berry eyeliner from Essence. Then I'm going to be using Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in the color 65. And last but not least, I want to put some makeup over here on my shoulders and my bones here. You know, when you get a tan, they look very nice with some highlighter on. I have a product from B Beauty. It's a bronzing spray, it's called, but it has shimmers inside. So I'm going to be using this all over my upper body. Then I'm taking my body shimmer dust that I got from Primark and using a brush like that, I'm taking the shimmer powder and placing it over my shoulders and here over my bones. And our makeup is done. I hope you enjoyed it. I really liked it because it really reminds me of summer days and when you get back from the sea and you're going for dinner. And that was the vibe that I was aiming for in this makeup for today. Please let me know what you think about this makeup and leave some comments for me. I will be happy to hear your feedbacks. If you haven't done it yet, I will be really happy if you subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up to this video and open the notifications from down below. And also if you want to follow me from Instagram, my username is Atalay Hande. Hope to see you in the upcoming videos. Ciao!